We've spent the last few lessons solving quadratic equations. This week today we're going to start off with the value of x. So before now we've always been looking for the value of x. So now we've been given it in the question. So we're told x equals minus 8, x equals plus 8. Now we call these the roots of the equation. So anytime you found the value of x, that's a root of that quadratic equation. So they're asking us, from just being given the two roots of the equation, they want us to find the quadratic equation that these roots belong to. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you're working backwards. Okay, if you can imagine that you actually were factorizing a quadratic equation, you're working backwards from that. So actually quite quick. So what you do is, to work backwards is, so we've got x equals minus 8. So we're going to bring that over. So that's x plus 8 equals 0, or x minus 8 equals 0. Okay, so first step is to bring each number over beside the x. Then we're going to say x plus 8, put it in a bracket, x minus 8, put it in a bracket. Okay, so you can see we're working backwards, because if we were factorizing, we'd be splitting up the brackets, solving for x. So we're going backwards through those steps. And then here, one more thing to do is multiply out these brackets, and then that'll give us the quadratic form. Okay, so just to refresh your memory on how to multiply out double brackets, you take the first bracket. Okay, so I'm going to take the first bracket of x, so x and plus 8, and I multiply those by the second bracket. So I actually write out the second bracket twice. Okay, so you did plenty of these at junior cert, so hopefully that'll refresh your memory. So x multiplied by all of the second bracket, 8 multiplied by all of the second bracket. So then multiply this out, you've got x times x, it's x squared, x times minus 8, minus 8x, 8 times x is 8x, and 8 times minus 8 is minus 64. Now I can tidy these up. Minus 8 plus 8 go to 0, so I'm left with x squared minus 64. So that's my quadratic equation. So these roots belong to the quadratic equation of x squared minus 64. Okay, and that's it. That's the question finished.